Remarketing to users should be a seamless, cross-device experience, regardless of whether they arrive by website or app. With dynamic remarketing for apps, you can now target key customers and expand the reach of your existing remarketing efforts to your app users. When a customer engages on your mobile app, we can now automatically customize a relevant ad about the products they just saw. Here's how it works. After a customer sees the product, they may not purchase right away. Instead, they may get distracted and visit a mobile site on their phone. Dynamic remarketing for apps can now remind your customers to come back and purchase the items they were just viewing. A customer can click on the ad and complete the purchase in the app, driving new sales you might have previously missed. With Google's new Dynamic Remarketing for Apps solution, you can reach and remarket to users on the 3 million apps and sites across the Google Display Network. Before you start running dynamic remarketing for apps, you'll need 3 things: in-app events, a feed, and deep linking. In-app events enable us to track and measure performance. With apps, you'll need a third party to pass information from the app to AdWords. By tracking these insights into AdWords, our dynamic product optimizes efficiently towards your business goals. We have app attribution partners to help simplify execution and make measurement more consistent and reliable for our app advertisers. If you don't work with one of these app attribution partners, not to worry. Instead, we recommend implementing our Google Analytics for Firebase solution. The dynamic nature of these ads means that they are perfect for companies with large product catalogs. We organize your product catalog into a feed, and when the ads are shown to people who visited your app, details about the items they viewed are pulled from this feed into the ads. This allows us to automatically customize creative for your individual users without having to create hundreds or thousands of individual ads. If you already have an existing feed for your current web campaigns, we can extend this feed to include apps. Deep linking is the connector that enables us to return users back to your app after viewing the product. We support all deep linking types, including custom schemas, Android app links, and iOS universal links. To learn more and get started on running dynamic remarketing for apps, please visit the AdWords Help Center for implementation steps and best practices.